Hamster Kombat Warriors Whitepaper has just been released, and it's set to revolutionize the crypto universe. Are you prepared for what could be the most significant airdrop ever? Let's get straight to the main event. The official white paper for Hamster Kombat is out, and it's a game changer. We're talking about revelations so groundbreaking they could redefine the entire crypto space. First things first, let's dive into the major announcement. The Token Generation event, TGE, and the much-anticipated airdrop have been rescheduled from July 2024 to a later, yet-to-be-determined date. I understand that some of you might be feeling a bit uneasy about this change, but don't worry, this isn't a setback, it's a strategic decision. The team behind Hamster Kombat is committed to delivering a flawless experience, and they're taking the extra time needed to fine-tune every aspect of the project. This careful approach is all about ensuring that when the TGE and airdrop finally happen, they will be seamless, impactful, and worth the wait. So, hang tight and keep those hamsters in check. Perfection takes time, and the team is dedicated to making sure everything is just right before they unleash this groundbreaking project onto the world. Now, let's explore the thrilling details revealed in the Hamster Kombat White Paper. This isn't just another run-of-the-mill crypto game, it's the foundation of an ambitious and comprehensive game publishing ecosystem. Hamster Kombat is designed to be a platform where the best and brightest in the gaming industry can come together. Imagine top game studios from around the world eagerly joining forces with Hamster Kombat, much like hamsters rushing to a grand feast. These studios will bring their top-tier games and innovative ideas to the table, contributing to a rich and diverse gaming experience. This ecosystem is not just about offering games, it's about creating a vibrant community where developers and gamers can interact, collaborate, and thrive. By providing a platform that supports and nurtures creative talent, Hamster Kombat aims to be a central hub for high-quality games, all accessible to our enthusiastic community of players. This initiative promises to transform the gaming landscape within the crypto world, making it more dynamic, engaging, and inclusive for all involved. But wait, there's even more exciting news. Hamster Kombat's mission extends far beyond just creating a successful game or building a robust ecosystem. They're setting their sights on something truly monumental, bringing 1 billion users into the crypto space. Yes, you heard that correctly, 1 billion users. This ambitious goal showcases their vision of thinking on a galactic scale, aiming to fundamentally transform the landscape of the digital world. The team behind Hamster Kombat is not merely focusing on short-term success, they're crafting a long-term strategy to integrate Web 2 and Web 3 technologies seamlessly. This project serves as a vital bridge, connecting the traditional web infrastructure that most people are familiar with, Web 2, to the new and revolutionary blockchain-based systems, Web 3. By doing so, they're making it easier for people from all walks of life to transition into the decentralized world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. This is more than just a game, it's a groundbreaking movement aimed at democratizing access to the crypto world. The Hamster Kombat platform is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that even those who are new to cryptocurrencies can participate and benefit. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or a complete newcomer, this project invites everyone to be part of an incredible journey to the moon. As we embark on this adventure together, Hamster Kombat is set to be a pioneer in making blockchain technology accessible and appealing to the masses. This is not just a leap for the project itself but a giant leap for the entire crypto community. So, buckle up and get ready, because when Hamster Kombat launches, it's going to be an epic voyage that could change the way we all interact with the digital world. Now, let's delve into the tokenomics, which is where things get really exhilarating. Tokenomics, or the economics of the tokens, is a crucial aspect of any crypto project, and Hamster Kombat is pulling out all the stops in this department. Forget any whispers or rumors you've heard about a potential airdrop. Hamster Kombat is gearing up for what promises to be the largest airdrop in the history of cryptocurrency. This isn't just a small giveaway, we're talking about a tidal wave of tokens. The scale of this airdrop is unprecedented. It's designed to be a massive distribution event that not only rewards early supporters but also entices a broad audience to join the Hamster Kombat community. This airdrop isn't just about spreading tokens far and wide, it's a strategic move to create buzz and momentum around the project. By distributing a significant amount of tokens to a wide range of participants, Hamster Kombat aims to foster a strong, engaged, and loyal community from the get-go. But what makes this airdrop even more special is its size and scope. The team isn't holding back. they're planning to release a substantial percentage of the total token supply directly into the hands of the community. This isn't a mere sprinkling of tokens that will be quickly forgotten. It's a flood of assets that will significantly impact the market and the project's ecosystem. This approach is revolutionary in the crypto space, where most projects tend to be conservative with their airdrop strategies. By opting for such a large-scale distribution, Hamster Kombat is not only making a bold statement but also ensuring that their community members are well rewarded for their support and participation. This move is likely to attract a diverse group of users, from seasoned crypto enthusiasts to newcomers eager to get their hands on some tokens. In essence, this airdrop is a foundational step in building the Hamster Kombat ecosystem. It's about creating a robust and vibrant community that will help drive the project's growth and adoption. By putting tokens in the hands of the users, Hamster Kombat is empowering its community, giving them a stake in the project's future success. This is more than just an airdrop, it's a massive opportunity for everyone involved. And those rumors about only 1% of the tokens being distributed to users? Throw them out the window. Hamster Kombat is going all in for its community. Are you ready for this? 60% of the airdrop volume will be distributed among players. That's right. More than half of this monumental airdrop is going straight to us. The rest of the tokens will be used for market liquidity, partnerships, and rewards. This isn't just generous, it's revolutionary. Now, let's discuss the Hamster token and the Hamster Foundation. This isn't just another meme coin. The Hamster Foundation is a non-profit organization dedicated to supporting community initiatives and developing the hamster ecosystem. We're talking about a long-term vision here, not a quick cash grab. This is the foundation of a new crypto empire. The Hamster token isn't just a currency for the game, it's a community-driven token with plans for use across multiple products within and beyond the Hamster Kombat ecosystem. This token has real utility, real value, and real growth potential. So, when is all this happening? I know the suspense is intense, and I'm feeling it too. But here's the thing. Good things come to those who wait. Hamster Kombat isn't rushing to launch with a half-finished product. They're taking their time to perfect everything. When this project launches, it's not just going to make a splash, it's going to create a crypto tidal wave. So, what does this mean for us, the Hamster Kombat community? It means we're at the forefront of something potentially massive. We're not just playing a game, we're part of a movement that could redefine the entire crypto landscape and bring blockchain technology to the masses. Here's what you need to do right now. Stay updated. Keep a close eye on the official Hamster Kombat website and their social media channels. When news drops, you want to be the first to know. Prepare. Make sure your wallets are set up and ready to receive tokens when the time comes. Spread the word. The more people who know about Hamster Kombat, the bigger this thing can become. Tell your friends, family, and even your barista if they're interested. Keep engaged. The more you engage with Hamster Kombat now, the better positioned you'll be when the airdrop finally happens. Be patient. I know it's tough, but remember, we're in this for the long haul. This isn't about quick profits, it's about being part of something truly groundbreaking. Remember, in the world of crypto, knowledge is power. Right now, you have insider information that could potentially set you up for life. But as always, do your own research, never invest more than you can afford to lose, and approach these things with a clear mind. We're standing on the verge of something huge, folks. Hamster Kombat isn't just creating a game, they're building an entire ecosystem that could bring cryptocurrency to the masses like never before. We're not just players, we're pioneers. Are you ready to make history in the crypto world? Ready to ride this hamster wheel all the way to the moon? Because when Hamster Kombat finally launches, it's going to be one wild ride.